Hey guys, it's Christina. So I have a new vlog for you guys today. So I wanted to do like an updated little apartment tour for you. So as you know, I just moved into my new place. This is my fourth place in LA, and this is the first one that we're actually on a lease. So I'm proud of it. Like, before we were subleasing, you know, the other ones were furnished. This one is just like all on our own, so I'm excited. So we're almost done unpacking. I still have to maybe get some decorations and stuff like that, but for the most part, I really like it. It's a nice location. We have a little balcony over here. Let me just show you around. So I was just doing like a little manicure video over there, my little Kylie Jenner. So this is the kitchen, and then my room is back here. Got my little cave. So that's my room. I want to get a little makeup stand. I don't want to like a vanity or a dresser. I don't want anything big. I just want to keep as much space as possible open. And I love how there's a huge mirror right there. And of course, I had to color coordinate all of my clothes. That side's all black, so you probably can't tell. But there you go. I love it. It makes finding things so much easier, and I like doing the all white hangers. I started this trend actually from watching Blair and Elle. Remember back in the day? I was just talking about it to my friend about like YouTubers from back in the day, like them two, Ray William Johnson, Michelle Phan, like such a different era than like modern day YouTube, I think. And then this is my bathroom. I'm just about to go run some errands and get my lashes done, so I'm just wearing some sporty outfit. That's Chad's room. We have this big mirror in the living room, so it's perfect when you want to leave and take a little selfie. We're almost done unpacking, don't mind the boxes. And I coordinated this closet as well. These are just like coats, jackets, shoes, suitcases. But I love this. And I am about to film a little haul when I come back. So these are my new packages. I went to my P.O. box yesterday, so if you guys want to send me any letters, I'll put my address right here. And then this is the kitchen. So it's pretty similar to the last place. We've got the washer and dryer here. So yeah, I think I just want to get some decoration, especially for this wall right here. We already have this mirror, so I don't think there needs to be another mirror, but I love mirrors. And we're gonna get a different stand for it right there for the TV. I also want to get some decorations for here. That's my little ring light, so if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And you know, besides the decorations, just like little things as well, if you have any suggestions. My hair looks crazy. Is that a little better? Yeah, I think so. So another thing I did, which I didn't do in my other places, is that I put a charger literally everywhere because I feel like my phone is always dying. I took my inhaler today, I don't know why I can't breathe, but like my phone is always dying. So if I'm in a car, I'm playing music on it, I can either charge it or play music. That's just how my car is. So when I'm at home, I'm always on it. You know, it's just like constantly dying. And so what I did was here in the living room, like right here and the couch, I put a extender behind there, and it's like in here. So if I'm sitting on the couch and I'm either filming right here with my little ring light or watching TV or whatever, you know, I can just plug in my phone, my computer, and then just tuck it in there. And then I've got a charger in the bathroom. I've got a charger under my bed, so whenever I'm going to sleep, using my laptop or whatever, I just plug my phone in, so that way it's right there, because you don't know how many times I've like fallen asleep and did not put my phone on charge and wake up in the morning, you have to go run errands or whatever, and my phone is just dead and it's like constantly dying throughout the day because it was not charged overnight. Got a charger there, which is also for like Android, so like for my camera and all of that. Then if I'm doing makeup, I have a charger here, which this one is actually for my little light up mirror, which this one has two. So one is for the mirror or like a camera, and the second one I use for my phone as I'm doing my makeup and getting ready. If I'm using it, it's charging as well. And then I've got one here in my kitchen. So basically, this little thing has saved my life because it has so many different charger outlets in one. So this is an adapter. So basically, so not only can I use it here in my house, and I've been using it because while we were moving, we didn't know where any of our things were. So it's hard to find multiple chargers. But also, you can use it when you're traveling. So it has all of these little holes. If you're from America, you're wondering like, what are those? They are for different countries. So right here you can switch between Europe, UK, Australia, and US. So if you guys don't know, originally I was born and raised in Ukraine, so I go back to visit. So whenever I would go back and visit my grandparents, I had to go buy an adapter. And I don't know where any of them are anymore because they were so cheap that I just kind of stopped using them after the trip. You know, they were just not good. This one is actually really, really good and sturdy, and it was not that expensive. And you can get it on Amazon. And on this side, it has a little button. So it pushes out these little prongs, and they're all different. So when I went to Ukraine, it had like, I think this one that bends like that. Let me see. So you push the little button. So if I pick Europe, this is what you get. And this is the one that we had in Ukraine. And then, what are they doing out there? What is that noise? Really though? And then once I'm coming back from Ukraine, I stopped in London. So you'd have to use a UK one, which is right there. And then if you remember 2 years ago, I actually went to Australia and New Zealand. So there you go. They have another one. And then this one is for US. So that's really, really neat. And I can use this to power my laptop at the same time as powering my phone, my camera, and whatever else I want to power, like my mirror or like a makeup spinning brush or whatever I want. So you can use this one little thing just for all of it at once, which is amazing for not only traveling because you're packing light, you don't need to bring a billion chargers, but also in these situations when you're moving and you don't know where any of your stuff is. So this little guy is literally life-saving, and it was only like 20 bucks I think on Amazon, so not bad at all, and it feels really, really sturdy, and it's gonna last you for a while. So I will link that for you guys down below in the info box. And right now I'm about to go get my lashes done, so let's go with me because tomorrow I'm actually going to this event. It's Oscars week, so I went to one on Monday.
The seamless came just like that. Okay.
But there have been events and parties like every single night, like since Monday. It's Oscars week. So Oscars are on Sunday, so literally every night I've been invited to something, but I've only went to the one on Monday because I was red carpet, but the other ones were just parties, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not about that. Like, I have work to do, and I stopped drinking on Sunday for a month, so I'm doing a month, and after that maybe longer, we'll see, hopefully. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm doing the event for the red carpet, so that'll be exciting. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Hey guys, it's the Oscars. OMG. I'm literally, my living room looks so crazy right now because I'm installing the cable, the Wi-Fi, everything by myself. My roommate had to leave, but I'm like, I got this. I got this. I know how to install it, but it's just like moving the couch and like putting the plug in there, and then like we need another plug, so I had to find an extender. Then we tried to put it the internet in his room. It was just a mess, but I'm glad. Oh my god, that's the girl from Hunger Games. Ah, love it. She's so grown. Oh my god. I remember watching the Oscars when I didn't live in LA and Hollywood. I was visiting. It was 2016, January 2016, and I was visiting, or February 2016. And I thought it was so cool. It just happened to be like I was here for something. It happened to be Oscars weekend, and I remember feeling so cool because I could watch the Oscars. Even if I wasn't at an event, I was just like in Hollywood. Like we went to a bar called like Stella Bar, I think, in Hollywood, and we were just watching the Oscars with my friends, and I thought it was so cool. And now 3 years later, I'm like living in LA. Oh, this shit scared me in the eyes. But and I have, like I told you guys, this is my first like lease before we're subleasing, but it's my first actual one. So it's my place in LA, and I wanted to be here so bad back then, and now I am. I mean, I was here last January too, 2018, so I was already here living, but again, watching the Oscars, I forgot they were even tonight, you know, like, I mean, I knew it was Oscars week, but like with everything going on this weekend, like this is so cool. So just saying, guys, if you wish it, if you dream it, you'll make it happen. So just saying, I wanted to be in LA and live here so bad, and somehow one thing after another just happened, and now it's like 3 years later, Oscars, it's like deja vu repeat. But I'm not at a bar watching it. I'm in my own living room of my own damn apartment watching it. So dream big. Hey guys, so I just finished filming a little try on haul video. I'm about to just sit down and edit and eat. Just did a bunch of errands today. I went to lunch, had some good salad. I'm actually thinking about doing like a keto plan. Not a keto all the way because I'm vegetarian, so it'd be really hard. But if you don't know what it is, it's basically a lot of fat, almost no carbs, and like good fat though. And basically, and a lot of protein. So we'll see, but I'm trying to cut down on the carbs. So for the next month, we'll see. I'll just try to cut them out. I'm not gonna do keto, but I'm gonna try to cut them out. I'll show you like the salad that I had today. It was so bomb from this new place that my friend told me about. I've never been there. Apparently there's a few of them. I posted it on my Instagram story, like how good does that look? It's called Mendocino Farms. I had the taco salad and then my friend had the avocado quinoa salad. Like, oh my god, this was bomb and so filling. So now I'm just like editing. I'm about to have a snack. That's a Beyond Burger with a bunch of rice and veggies. What is that noise? Oh my god, of course they're gonna do planes right when I start filming. That Virginia Beach was bad with planes. It's all military everywhere. Jets. Love the jet noise. So I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs. I'm trying to do more of them this month, so let me know what else you want to see. If you want me to take you around, whether it's different parties and events or like me grocery shopping, like what do you guys want to see? Let me know in the comments down below. And that is it. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, Twitch. All of that will be linked down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.